Hey, welcome to Meet Hour Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to invite friends to meeting in mobile via WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal and many more. Assuming you already know how to create a meeting and secure it with a password. If you are not aware how to create a meeting, click on the link inside info icon. Now, let us begin. Step 1. After you join the meeting in phone, and assuming password is already set to this meeting. Now, go to More Options, click on Invite Someone and you will be landed with multiple options to share meeting links such as WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram, email, Gmail and many more. Step 2. Now, just share the meeting link. I am showing example of WhatsApp as of now. You can try this with any app in your phone. Note, currently along with meeting link we are not sharing password. You have to manually share with your upcoming guest. We will soon incorporate this functionality in our next update. That's it. Now guests can join your meeting by just using the shared link via both desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour.